In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts on LinkedIn. If you want a little more privacy when messaging on LinkedIn, turning off read receipts is a simple setting that can help. Read receipts let other people know when you've seen their message, and typing indicators show when you're actively replying. If you'd rather keep that information private, LinkedIn gives you the option to disable it in just a few clicks. To get started, head to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. You'll see your profile icon labeled Me. Go ahead and click that to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related options, including the settings area where privacy controls are located. From that drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're there, you'll be taken to your account settings page. This is where LinkedIn organizes different controls for your profile, visibility, messaging, and data preferences. So if the page looks a little busy, don't worry. The next step will narrow it down. On the left side of the page, click Data Privacy. This section includes settings related to how your information and activity are handled across the platform. Since read receipts are part of the messaging experience, this is the section you'll need. Now scroll until you find the Messaging Experience section. In that area, look for the option called Delivery and Typing Indicators and click on it. This setting controls whether LinkedIn shows others when you've read their messages and whether they can see when you're typing a reply. Once you open that setting, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply switch it to Off. After that, your read receipts and typing indicators will be disabled. One important thing to keep in mind is that when you turn this setting off, you also won't be able to see read receipts or typing indicators from other people. It works both ways, so this change gives you more privacy, but it also removes that extra messaging visibility on your side. And that's it. That's how to turn off read receipts on LinkedIn. It only takes a minute, and it can make your messaging experience feel a bit more private and less pressured. If you're following along, just make sure the toggle stays off before leaving the page, and your changes should be saved automatically.